Imagine for a moment that something unexpected happens to your home. Perhaps a sudden pipe burst or a small fire forces you and your family to temporarily move out. What happens then? Additional living expenses coverage, often called a LE or loss of use coverage, is a vital part of your homeowner's insurance policy. It helps pay for the increase in living costs if your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered loss. The core mechanism behind a LE is quite simple. Your policy recognizes that when you cannot live in your home, you will incur extra expenses you would not normally have. This coverage steps in to cover those specific additional costs that exceed your normal monthly budget. Think about a hotel stay, temporary rent for an apartment, or even the extra cost of eating out because you cannot cook in your own kitchen. It can also cover things like laundry service fees or mileage for a longer commute if your temporary residence is further from work or school. The why is to ensure that a covered disaster does not also create an unexpected financial burden on top of the stress of displacement. To utilize a LE, it is crucial to keep meticulous records of all your receipts for these additional costs. Your insurance company will reimburse you for the difference between your normal living expenses and your temporary ones. For instance, if you usually spend $100 a week on groceries but while displaced you spend $300 on restaurant meals, a LE would cover the $200 difference. A lesser-known fact about a LE is that it typically covers expenses for the shortest reasonable time it takes to repair or rebuild your home, or for your family to settle permanently elsewhere. This can be a generous window, often extending for 12 or 24 months, depending on your specific policy and the extent of the damage. It is designed to provide genuine peace of mind during a very difficult time. Understanding additional living expenses coverage means you are not just buying insurance for your home itself. You are securing protection for your family's stability and routine during an unexpected disruption. It removes a significant financial worry, allowing you to focus on rebuilding your life without the added stress of unforeseen living costs.